Let's try this. So,
Okay.
yeah. So let's move on. Any questions so far?
I will try it. When I try it, I'll get it. I will understand it better.
All right. So let's move on to the next thing, which is how do you use the selectors? So let's talk about selectors. So once we do that, we proceed to the next one. So we have different kind of selectors, but in this class, we'll focus on only the simple selectors. So the simple selectors is more like selecting based on the name. So the ones we've been doing is selecting based on the name. So you saw when we wanted to select, we style it by um we style it with what's it called? By calling the name of the element. So that one is called element selection or element selector or yeah. So or name selector. So you are selecting it by name. So that's what it's called. So for instance now, let's do another example under that. So for instance, let's say we have an H3. We want this H3 to be Bello is a good man. So you have an H3. Yeah, so background color. So let's say if you go to that page, you're going to see it's now background is pink. So how do we achieve this? So this is what we call the element of name selector. So it's using the name of the element to actually be the call that factor. So you see, this is H3 is using the name of the element. That's how we call this type the element selector. Do you understand it, man?
Yes.
Okay. So yeah, so let's move on to the next one. The next one we'll do is also called the ID selector. So this one it takes a particular ID. So you give an element an ID. So let's say you give this one, let's say there are look at this, look at what happens when you have something like this. Let's say there are plenty patterns. My God, please do. So look at this now. You will see that because it's also a fit tag. Oh, we use. Okay, let me remove this. So if we try to use element selector, let's use element selector. Oh my God, let's say background color is equals to orange. And you see that because the two are fit tag, it's affecting them, right?
Mm. Yes.
Yeah. So one of the ways to separate it is by using either ID or class. So let's say we want to style only by a particular class. So you go to that particular ID, create an ID, put an ID attribute like this. Then you say ID equals to. So you give it a unique name. Maybe
Okay.
this one is header text. You can use anything. You can even use software or something. But
What you will
it does.
remember.
But it's always good to use something that other engineers, when they see it, they understand it.
Okay.
So, so this is ID now. So you go to your CSS, you now call that particular ID so you can begin to start it. So say that other to call it, you use hash for ID. So you put four. No, you put the text, header text, the name of the ID. You remember that this name is header text, right?
Mm.
And so when you come to your CSS, you put that hash header text. Hash is mean you are calling the ID. So
Yes.
then you say background color or you put the style. This is where you put the style. So background color is blue. And if you check it out, you should see only one of them. Can you see? So only one of them is blue. Do you understand that, ma? Does that make
Yes.
sense to you?
Yes.
Okay. So let's